Right, ladies and gentlemen, God bless. This is Dr. Tom K. A very short one. Okay, some students, some persons who are actually working with me. Okay, I've been asking questions. Please, can I put in a bank detail and later change the bank detail to another one? And I said, okay, let's see if it can work. All right. So what you do is come over to this icon. You see this icon that shows human being. That is your account. Click on it. Now, when you click on that, you're going to come over here to say update your bank account. You see this place? Just tap it. When you tap it, it's going to pop up, all right? The account detail you put in there going to pop up. You see that, right? These are account detail. Your percentage going to get and everything, your email address, everything is in there, right? So what you do is this. This is the account number. Maybe you want to change, right? Just tap it like this and then remove it. After I remove it, okay, what you do, put the bank name and then insert the PIN that has been sent to you that we are using, right? Just put it in there and you are good to go. That's how to change your bank detail. And then what you do is click on update and you are done. You are done. So don't worry, you can actually use any bank detail. I mean, later change it, but make sure you change it. If you want to withdraw, let it be like about 24 hours after you change it. Okay, then you can use it. I'm just saying that, okay, but you can actually update your bank detail using this going through this process. Is that okay? I think you are good to go with this, right? This is Dr. Tom K. Follow us for more on SWIFTtrip. SWIFTtrip is paid. Join us today. God bless you.